it back.
I come through dripping in Valley Banana. Tryna run up on me, that's a I was raised by the streets and my grandma. Got this paper and she eat from my aunt. They got 8 millions from going hard. There's a million ways to get paid. I got a couple million in my garage. This big Glock, baby, I be doing my big one. 10 watches, I pop my bitch one. I be spinning and flipping this paper. I told my little bro, get it done. Like Biggie Smalls, I got faith. This big ass chain got my neck long and my trigger finger impatient. These niggas suckers, dumb. Chasing bitches, I'ma chase paper. I get motivated by my hate. My pinky ring looking like a crack. She wanna go pound town on the mayor. I fuck too good, why would I pair? Mr. Glock or Carmen King Slayer. I got more Rolex than Ric Flair. Just put this eye pack in the air. All white crispy honey, she still. I ran the shit up without no stare. And speaking of step, that's all we do. November 17th, let a monster loose. Running circles around niggas like Duck Goose. Hey, if I was you, I'd try to do too. I know I'm the shit, but I'm not number 2. Your fresh ass nigga put you right on the news. I come through dripping in Valley Banana. Tryna run up on me, that's a I was raised by the streets and my grandma. Got this paper and she eat from my aunt. They got 8 millions from going hard. There's a million ways to get paid. I got a couple million in my garage. This big Glock, baby, I be doing my big one. 10 watches, I pop my bitch one. I be spinning and flipping this paper. I told my little bro, get it done. Like Biggie Smalls, I got faith. This big ass chain got my neck long and my trigger finger impatient. These niggas suckers, dumb. Chasing bitches, I'ma chase paper. I get motivated by my hate. My pinky ring looking like a crack. She wanna go pound town on the mayor. I fuck too good, why would I pair? Mr. Glock or Carmen King Slayer. I got more Rolex than Ric Flair. Just put this eye pack in the air. All white crispy honey, she still. I ran the shit up without no stare. And speaking of step, that's all we do. November 17th, let a monster loose. Running circles around niggas like Duck Goose. Hey, if I was you, I'd try to do too. I know I'm the shit, but I'm not number 2. Your fresh ass nigga put you right on the news. I come through dripping in Valley Banana. Tryna run up on me, that's a I was raised by the streets and my grandma. Got this paper and she eat from my aunt. Got 8 millions from going hard.